People, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, we are excited to share with you some cool and easy to make crochet caps designs ideas that are perfect for any season and different occasion. Hopefully you like this video and different collections. So please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. From banyan to stretchy hats, we will go you created. Check out these beautiful and stylish ladies crochet hat designs ideas that you can customize to fit your style and size. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. We will show you how to create beautiful textures using yarn and techniques, plus got tips on how to customize the brim, cuff and pom-pom to fit your perfection. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize beautiful and amazing crochet caps designs ideas easily, and many different ideas about crochet work such as crochet work baby frocks, ladies dresses, cardigans, neck warmers, fingerless gloves, babies booties and many different ideas. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. And the best part, you can wear your crochet cap with anything else. Pair it with a crochet cozy sweater, leather jacket or a flowy dress for a chic and comfort look. If you want to see full DIY tutorial, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my full DIY tutorial, full detailed videos. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorials, full detailed videos and explanation videos. Happy hooking, and we will see you in the next video. Please share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work, and please like this video and share with your friends, relatives, customers, crochet work experts and others. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. People, welcome back.